What have we got here, Ash?
The Charger.
A Valiant Charger. You like Valiant Charger? Yeah. Nice car. There's Tommy. We're at the.
Not my colour though.
I don't like the colour. And there's the little Cortina. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Valiant Bradley had. I actually drove him to his wedding. Big fatty. Content.
Any of that? Oh, I can see daylight.
Of Garrett Delore has defended entering turn 4. He was involved in that big battle with Harry Barguana in the V6 Capri, so that's disappointing, obviously, for Delore. Very quick in that charge, but he has nerfed the fin on the exit of turn 4. Don't have the binoculars out, so I can't really see how much damage there is to the car, but he's got the car moving again, so perhaps just getting it out of... So I think what we're seeing here is this might be a 59 on the right. Well, now that's an Australian car. Well, we've been in Debbie Gray driving that, but that was in a... Oh, had a...
The Commodore man, 74 years young, still racing Group C. The rest rise. We get secondary racing here at Exton Creek. We're underway very, very
Nice big engine.
which is simply, it's not going to be an ability problem for Wales, rather. The battle for second place between Scott Barguana and Jason Chili in it. Can do all over Garrett as well, and even though he's leading, he's certainly riding the side. And the man that's coming under pressure at the moment is Scott Barguana in the orange Carana, number 79. He has his mirrors full of the big green Falcon of Jason Tilley. And as I said before, wheel of the Charger. I think Stabber's back out again, so he's probably put some more rubber onto it. There's some feverish activity.